In this video, I'm going to build the Roman Empire in Lego.
This is the base that I'm going to start with. This will be the biggest build I've ever made.
I went all out for this video, buying thousands of Lego pieces in order to make the best build I've ever made. I'm going to fit everything on this base, including a working aqueduct with real water.
Rome wasn't built in a day, so let's get started. This is Marcus.
Marcus is your typical middle-class Roman citizen. He's not the emperor, but he's not a servant either. Speaking of servants, here's Tiberius, the family servant. Tiberius, prepare to join me on some errands shortly. Yes, sir. This is Marcus's family. Let's build their house. The walls of the house are made of fired clay bricks, which were perfected by the Romans. Tiberius, time to go to the market. I went crazy with market details, laying out stalls that sell food, animals, clothes, and pottery. The market is a great place to go for all your Roman needs. Marcus buys some fish, bread, and olives, typical Roman food. The Romans invented the first newspaper, except instead of paper, it was chiseled into stone. Looks like cow stocks are going up. Octavius and Cassia are having their new baby. Ooh, Lil Toga is dropping a new single.
Hey yo, Lil Toga in the house?
Marcus, letter for you.
The Romans invented the first postal system, transporting mail by horse throughout the land. Bills, 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 more bills. Ooh, a coupon. This is Felix, Marcus's friend. There you are, Marcus. Ready for the games today? Indeed, Felix. Welcome to the Roman Coliseum, the largest amphitheater in Rome. Marcus and Felix are in for an amazing show. The emperor loves to attend events in the Coliseum as well, up in his private viewing booth. Yes, darling, more grapes. Roman citizens come to the Coliseum to watch chariot races, ostrich chariot races, gladiator fights, and the Super Bowl.
Hey yo, Lil Toga back in the building. Ready for this halftime shout? Dripping in this oil and my girl is loyal. Fiending for that bread and fish won't let it spoil. Stacking bricks so high, you got thought it was a tower. Rocking this toga, repping Roman power. Lil Toga, yo, much love. Catch my new album, Brick City, dropping in June. Woo! You thought I was done? Lil Toga always be dropping bricks in the studio. Lil Toga out!
After a fun time at the Coliseum, Marcus and Felix like to go to the baths to relax and clean off after a busy day. So let's build the Roman baths.
Now don't forget, the baths will be filled with real water. The Romans transported water across the country with aqueducts, so I'm going to do the same thing. Here's my Lego aqueduct, and it fits right here. Now we can build the final building of the Roman Empire.
The Roman baths were heated from beneath with little fires, and of course filled with fresh water straight from the aqueduct. But before we get to that, I decided to fill this last bit of empty space with a training area for the Roman army. The soldiers have beds, weapons, rations, and a fire. They train every day to be ready for war at a moment's notice. Now, back to the baths. This is the most detailed building in Rome and definitely my favorite. I used some detailed white pieces to create the statues and decorations above the entrance. Lots of little pieces to add some texture to the walls. And finished off the baths with a nice dark orange roof.
Okay, now that Rome is officially done, it's finally time to see what happens when I pour real water through the aqueduct. I haven't tested this, so I don't know what to expect, but I really hope the water flows through all the way to the baths. Only one way to find out. All right, here goes nothing. I'm actually so nervous. I do not know what to expect. Here it goes. No way. Okay, it's actually going in. It's actually... That is so cool. It's in the baths now. Dude, that is so cool. It's leaking out. Oh man. It's leaking out at the bottom. Look at that. All the water is leaking out, but still so cool. All things considered, I'd say that went pretty well. I still have no idea how the Romans built watertight aqueducts using bricks, but my Lego version still worked alright. I definitely want to do some more videos like this, so I have 3 options to build next. The Wild West, the Stone Age, or the Ancient Egyptians. Let me know in the comments which one you'd like to see. Keep on building, and I'll see y'all in the next one.